Hi guys, this is Lian from Hairui in China. Today, I'm so glad to be here to show you something about Connect as you see. Actually this video is quite suitable for electricians and electrical contractors, electrical installers, wholesalers, the distributors of the electrical industries. Okay, now let me show you our lever nuts connector. As you see, the shell is made of nylon PA46 or polycarbonate PC, which is flame retardant and high temperature resistant. It can reduce its potential safety hazards, resist aging and corrosion, and which is durable. This lever connect is quicker and easier to install. Okay, and now let me show you how to operate. Okay, and firstly, just open the lever and then put the cable, and this cable is AW18. Okay, and just insert the wire and then press the lever and down. You see, it's quite simple, right? And this lever connects suit for hardware with AW28 to 12 and software with AW28 to 14. And there are wide pole to choose for this type. From 2 to 20 is available. 2 in and 2 out. And these two holes act as the fixing. Okay, and our butt connect is small in shape and beautiful and practical. It's convenient in connection and safe in electricity use. It can be widely used in hotels, houses, large warehouses, family life, factory electricity, and so on. Okay, and if you have any more questions and technical support, just contact Lian anytime. Thank you guys. Thank you for your time to watch my video. Bye. See you next time.